So welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be harvesting my sweet potatoes here. Just taking the covers off them and they're looking pretty good. It's been a great year for sweet potatoes, a good normal spring and some really hot weather during the summer, so hopefully I'll get some really big tubers, so let's see. Okay, so the first thing to remember when harvesting sweet potatoes is don't damage the tubers because they won't store. So just try and keep them as perfect as possible, and yeah, let's take it from there. So I've removed the vines, I've removed the mulch, which was mainly straw, so you can just see 12 plants now, and you can see that when I planted them out they were in mounds. I prefer doing it this way, and I also had pipes going deep down into the roots, so that made watering easier. So every time I watered it didn't disturb the mound. So yeah, when you grow sweet potatoes, the tubers are pretty much concentrated around the base of the plant, so that's why I like planting in a mound. They don't go deep, they're just all concentrated around this mound, and I'm quite happy with that. It's a good yield from one plant. Yeah, so there we go, sweet potatoes from 12 plants. I've got 6 more plants at home, so we'll do a comparison, because it's a lot hotter here and windier than at home. So I'm really pleased with that yield. Got some good tubers there to cure, which is the hardest part. All these plants were grown from slips, from I think 3 small tubers I had from last year. The roots produce slips, the tubers produce slips, so I had 18 all together. I started this in March, and then I planted them out from 5-litre pots in June, planted them in the mounds, I put pipes into the roots, I fed with lots of super phosphate, comfrey feed, lots of potassium, and like I said, we've had the hot weather, so I didn't cover them. It would have been too hot for that. I only covered mid-September when the temperatures dropped. So yeah, I'll just take these away. I'll dig to make sure I've not left any tubers. So there we go. So yeah, I've dug it all over now, making sure there's no tubers left in there. So the carrots over there will be in this patch next year. So hopefully get some good sized ones, just like this again. So here's all the tubers. I've just laid them out to dry them a bit in the sun, and I'll brush the soil off with this. I don't want to wet them or water them, so I'm now going to be starting the curing process.